2050. Yes, credible. No. AUTTPDCC. And today I'm going to show you how to change your ringtone for absolutely free to anything you want. So, the first thing you want to do is open up GarageBand. Click the plus button. Choose the audio recorder. Click this kind of keyboard thing at the top. Send you here. Then after that, you turn off that clicking thing. Click on the loop. Go. It has to be on your files.
Many modern ships I won't be posting. Many modern ships have a bulbous.
And then you could just go like that, like this.
Many modern ships have a bulbous bow.
And then after that, you can go there, share, click ringtone. Then you go to settings, sounds, and then you choose what one you've just done, like this one.
Pulling out the coupe at the lot, Tony for a 12 fuck SWAT.